lat pull down. In the lat pull down, you want to have the pads on top of your thighs to hold your body down. You're also going to grab the bar and you're pulling it towards the torso while your torso is also slightly leaned back. Every motion should be controlled, especially on the way up. Here you can see that the shoulders are down and away from the ears. You do not want the shoulders coming up into the ears. Here's a ridiculous video of me showing you what it looks like when the shoulders are in the ears. Don't do this. This sucks. And from the side, you should have your shoulder blades tipped back as well. So when you round your shoulders, your shoulder blades will be tipped forward. You want your chest tall and shoulders tipped back. Here is a ridiculous video of me showing you what it looks like to do it wrong. Don't do this. You can have a couple of different grips, overhand or underhand. An underhand grip will work more biceps, and an overhand grip will work a little more width of the back as well.